Hi guys, I'm coming. How are you? Daddy makeup, please.
Karomila.
Please. Wow, very nice.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial, oh, is that so? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is about this look. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe down below. Click on notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's get the video rolling. Okay guys, I'm using my Vaseline lip therapy to moisturize my lips, using my loose powder from Pineapple Cosmetics to set my brow. So to draw my brow, I'm using my pencil from Cosmetic Art in the shade black to outline my brow. Please, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. So just checking if my brows look like sisters. Yes, if they look similar. So going in with my spoolie brush to brush both pencils into place. To conceal, I'm using the BH Cosmetics concealer and foundation palette to conceal my brow. To conceal the upper part, I'm using the same concealer. You can actually use your foundation if you prefer, or use concealer which is exact same shade as your skin. So while filming this video, I was actually playing a music in the background. So when you see me shaky body, the music is kicking me. So using my AOA Wonder Cover Concealer in the shade Cool Tan as my eyeshadow base. Yes, blend well. Using Gorgeous Me palette, and these are the shades I'll be using. So I started with this brown shade, but later on changed my mind and went ahead with a darker shade. Yes, so I just packed the darker one on top of the brown shade. So using this reddish pinkish color to diffuse the edges of my previous shade, if that makes sense. Please blend. Oh, okay, and subscribe. Yes, so now I'm just blending. I'm using this lighter shade to set the concealer underneath my brow bone. Yes, so using my Vaseline lip therapy on top of my lid so that it will be easier for me to clean. So one wipe, poop, is gone. So going in with my AOA Wonder Cover Concealer in the shade Cool Tan to cut my crease. If you have hooded eye, you have to go underneath your natural crease. And if you are a beginner, you have to take your time when cleaning your when cutting your crease. So going in with this shade to set that concealer, I'm using this all over the places where I cut my crease. I'm in my lid. Please pack the shade well to prevent the concealer from creasing. Pack it well. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, because on this channel we do everything blendable. So here I was trying to ginger myself a little bit to line my eye. I'm using this mini star gel liner to the line. Yes, please, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. I mean subscribe. You subscribe. For my lashes, okay, I think my mouth is going fast. I'm using the excess product on the brush to blend my outer V area. Actually, this eyeshadow, my lid color was accidentally, or it did accidentally matches my scarf. It wasn't planned. So if you haven't seen my last tutorial, I have one. I'll leave a link down the description box. Check it out. Yes, yes. So this is my primer for today, and I've been using this primer for a while now, which is the Pond's primer. Okay, since my face is looking like I have a serious breakout this month, so I decided to conceal with the orange corrector in the palette. Yes, I decided to conceal. So my foundation is from Mabeline Fit Me Poreless Matte Foundation in the shade Mocha. Mocha. So please remember to blend your foundation down to your neck area. Yes, down to your neck area, and blend it seamlessly. Blend. To highlight, I'll be using the BH Cosmetics concealer palette to highlight. While filming this tutorial, I had some uninvited guests in my room. It was around 3 a.m. in the morning, 3 a.m. But I don't know why these people refused to sleep, and they were popping, uninvitedly coming to my room. So blend. I'm using my foundation brush to blend that. Yes. To contour, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Ebony. Please, if you are using a matte foundation and you have a fan or air conditioner on, I'll advise you do that in badges or what. Yes, because it dries faster. I was actually talking to these people, and my contour dried up, so it was not easy blending this thing. So if you are using a matte foundation, kindly blend it fast. And I just went back with my foundation brush, which has a little bit of moisture from the foundation in it, if that makes sense, to further blend that contour. I'm using my powder palette to set my under eye, my forehead, and my chin. So to further set, I'll be using this Flormar Cosmetics loose powder in the shade Light Sand to set my under eye. I mean the places where I highlighted. Sorry. And remember to set your smile lines if you have any. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. And if you are still here with me, may God grant all your heart desire. So to dust off the powder, I'm using the Flormar Cosmetics loose powder in the shade Bronze Sand to set my entire face, as well as dust the excess powder on my face. So using this my granny's powder is Nickak Dual Contour. I'm using that to bronze my face. This powder looks old, but it's not that old. It was my little boy who helped me in destroying the image of that powder. So don't mind the body, mind the engine. So going back with a new brush to further blend my nose contouring, because I saw in my previous video that my nose contouring was looking a little bit harsh. So this procedure, I actually blush use my blush without filming, and my camera wasn't filming, so I have to repeat the process. So my eyeliner was from Forever 52 Kohl liner, and I'm using my highlighter from Catrice the Ultimate Chrome palette. I love this palette, and I actually have two, but the other one I don't like that, so I don't know the name, but it's the Ultimate collection, but I don't know. This one is the Ultimate Chrome. The other one I've forgotten the name. I'll try and use it one of these days. I told you, this uninvited guest will not kill me. So just using the shades I use for my eye to smoke my lower lash, and trying to use a little mascara on my bottom lashes, as well as curl my natural lashes with my falsies. And I'm using my liner from Flormar Cosmetics to wing my inner eye. So I'm using my brow pencil, the brown pencil I use for my brows, to outline my lips. Please, if you have not subscribed, using this Huda Beauty lip matte lipstick, I think it's in the shade Muse. Is it Muse? Yes, so I'm topping it up with my L'Oreal lip gloss. L'Oreal lip gloss. So guys, always remember to outline your lips well with a concealer, if that makes sense. So using my highlighter, my setting spray is from Flormar, and I bath with this setting spray. I don't know what I was thinking of. I actually bath with it. Apart from the fragrance in this setting spray, it's a nice setting spray. It's a fixing spray, but the fragrance is what is putting me off. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe down below, and click on notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video. This is our final look. So until we meet again, stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.